All right, so I'm back with my euro dollar trade. We see a bit of oscillation. Price started to shift upwards, reacting to this small 2-minute fair value gap. And now we see price entering into that 15-minute fair value gap. So bearing in mind, there's also the daily VWAP here, which price also tends to bounce off of. My conviction is that price will look to tag the point of control because that is the level where the vast majority of volume has been traded throughout the day. So I will keep this going if price does retrace backwards. And I can see also a new 2-minute bearish fair value gap forming here. If price does retrace backwards and goes above this level, then I will look to exit the trade because that will give me a clear indication that my idea was not entirely accurate. So as expected, we are seeing a bounce back. That always happens, particularly around the VWAP level, also fueled by this 15-minute fair value gap. So let's see what happens. I'm going to pause it so you don't have to wait with me. Okay, so I'm back and we've seen now what price has done. Unfortunately, it did retrace back to the upside and price did also invert to the 2-minute fair value gap. So my trade idea is pretty much, I wouldn't say invalid because price did go the direction I expected it to go. However, I don't want to risk any capital anymore on this trade, purely for the reason that there is now a good chance that price is going to move forward to the upside. Obviously, we don't know that, but I tend to want to only take prices when I'm confident about the direction of price, and I no longer have that. Putting everything into context, I do find this a good trade. There is a tag off the 1-hour fair value gap. It inverted a 5-minute fair value gap, closed below it, and then price action did continue downwards. I did mention the 15-minute fair value gap, and putting everything into context, the higher time frame fair value gaps carry more weight, so there was a very good chance that there was going to be a strong bounce off this level. It also didn't help that the VWAP is right there at that level. In all honesty, what I should have done really is I should have put my take profit level at the VWAP. However, I did want to take a 2 to 1 risk reward ratio, as I always try to do. Having it at my VWAP would have been 1.62, which is not bad, but that goes outside my rules and my trading plan. So I exited the trade pretty much break even, or just above break even, because you must take into account, of course, commissions that you pay the broker. But in any case, we'll come back with another trade as soon as I see another setup forming. Thank you very much.